welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own washi tape. Yes, you can create your own washi tape and customize it to your desire, and you'll obviously save money. I love washi tape, but I can't find what I actually need. I never find a galaxy themed one here. So that's why I made it by my own, and that's what I'm going to show today. You can stick it on any surface, peel and stick, then cut like so. Overall, a really worth craft. So now, without wasting any time, let's get started. Materials required for this craft is a pair of scissors, any color medium. Also take printout if you don't want to draw. If you've taken printout or you're using pattern paper, then you don't need those pens, so you can use this pattern paper, wrapping paper. But if you're not printing out, then you can use a normal sheet of paper. Now talking about the tapes. So for this you will need thin tape, a double-sided tape. This one is I have seen many people buy this one, but this is not ideal for washi tape because we don't want that thick look. I know this is more easier to find, but I would recommend this. This is also not like super hard to find, and it's not expensive. And you will also need a clear tape. Now this clear tape is optional. If you don't have or don't want to use it, then it's fine, but we want a layer on our washi tape so that it looks like market, and whenever we accidentally spill water, then nothing will happen. You can just wipe it off. Lastly, you will need some tape dispensers. I know these circles which you get ready-made washi tapes, but this is optional. If you're freaking out, don't freak out. This is completely optional. If you're having, then you can take these empty ones from tape. I empty tape very fast. I use it in a lot of craft. Let's get started. So first we will take our white sheet of paper and draw any design. Done. I have finished drawing this. I know it looks really messy, but that's fine. I'm going to be cutting it in lines. So you can use a ruler for this process if you want, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to cut it out normally in the same size as my double-sided tape. If you're enjoying my video so far, then like, share and subscribe. Now from these many strips, you will not get a lot of washi tape. You have to remember that. Now we are going to line them up again and take our clear tape, and we will just tape it over. Make sure that your strips are not overlapping each other, otherwise it will be really hard to cut, so they can have a little gap. Now we are going to stick this. Now once you're done with coating this tape, we have to cut out the excess and also cut them in this gap. Basically we just want a strip. Alright, now I finished cutting them out. Now we are going to flip it over, take our double-sided tape and stick over these strips that we have made one by one. Now what you need to keep in mind is leave a little bit here and start sticking the other strips. Here we go. I have finished making this whole strip. It's so long it can't even fit in the frame. So now we will take this dispenser. I don't know what to call it, but if you don't have this, then you can just start wrapping without this, but I have it, so I'm going to start. So first of all, we are going to stick the first layer, like this small piece on here, because we don't want it to detach. I'll just take a small piece of double-sided tape and stick. There we go, and I'm just going to take this tape and stick it. Now I'm not going to repeat like the double-sided tape all over again. I'm just going to start wrapping now. Once you reach to the end, you can take the same tape, but I personally think that it is very sticky, and if you stick it here, it's going to be permanent like this, and we don't want that. We want to use this. So I'm going to take this one because it's less sticky. So I'm going to take a small piece. Now before I stick it, I will be dabbing this on my clothes because I don't want it to be very sticky. I just dabbed it and stick it here. So yeah, this is how our washi tape turned out. Experiment with different kinds of designs, get really creative, and you can also do it with patterned paper. That would be a good idea as well. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll meet you in my next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.